Rachel, look at all these cars out here.
I know, this parking situation is just getting totally out of hand.
How are we ever going to make a reservation to Red Lobster with all these people in the church's parking lot?
Patience, dear. Oh, look, the Johnsons are letting us in. Go ahead, dear.
Thank you. How's your mother doing?
Mother, how are you feeling? Just a little car sick. All this stopping and starting stuff is just very hard on me. Oh, I know, Mother. Here, have some of Roger's Dramamine. What happened to this church? I remember the days when it didn't take 10 minutes to get out of the parking lot. And there was never a problem trying to find a place to park.
Yeah, where'd all these people come from? Don't they know it's Sunday? Shouldn't they be at a beach somewhere?
Right. We were here first. Now, you heard them in the service this morning? Our church has grown tremendously in the past 2 years. Who would have thought we'd had such a growth spurt?
Since you mentioned the service, who's ready to talk about it?
Ready? Okay, lock the doors. Put a smile on your face. You do not know who might be watching. Everyone look pleasant.
Sunday school?
Oh, that was good.
The music?
Great.
The message?
That's always good.
The, drama presentation? Yeah.
I don't think I will ever get used to that.
How about this money kick they've been on lately? You know, it seems like we just came out of one of those a few years ago.
Yes, Roger, we did. But you know, you read the brochure this morning. There are so many things going on since the place is booming. And if we can get out of debt, then we can take care of so much more.
Yeah. What?
You like the good old days too, don't you, Roger?
Yes, of course I do, Mother. Of course I do.
How much would it cost to keep the children's ministries running anyway? I mean, it can't be much. All you need is a flannel graph and some stale Kool-Aid and cookies. Oh, Mother, we must support these ministries because they do minister to the people.
Yeah, but that's the thing, Rachel. You get a hold of some good thing, all of a sudden everybody else wants to join in on it. You find Jesus, and all of a sudden everybody else wants to know him too. And then we buy new pews, and strangers sit in them.
That's right. We ripped and saved and sacrificed to build this church, and strangers come to look at it and take over. Like those people over there in the car next to us. Who are they, anyway? I don't know, but they're waving at us.
They look like visitors.
Listen, I'll bet you that they parked in that special visitor parking lot, too.
Rachel, stop waving at them. You're going to encourage them to come back. Putting milk out for a stray cat.
Oh, Roger, you should be ashamed of yourself.
Amen.
Hello.
I don't know about you two, but I really enjoyed service today at this church.
I can't wait to tell people back at home. Stars was so special. I mean, look at all the stuff the church is involved with.
Incredible. It seems there's something going on around here 7 days a week, 24 hours a day. I can't remember when I've enjoyed church so much.
It must take a lot of sacrifice to operate a ministry of this size.
I know what you mean. I mean, I bet these people don't know how much sacrificial giving and prayer they have.
Well, I can see up to this point, God has abundantly blessed them.
I wonder if they realize just how fortunate they are.
What do you mean?
I wonder if they realize how many churches around here have a place like this.
Oh, I know what you mean.
Well, yeah, but those are the good types of problems. People around here, they don't mind giving up a little extra time or even waiting a little longer here in the parking lot.
Why don't you let them in front of us?
Go ahead.
Hey! No one honks at me! Do you know I am a covenant member?
Was it, dear? I believe they were trying to let you in front of them.
Oh. God bless you!
I wish our church would be small again. Those were the good old days.
Oh, Mother, these are the good old days. Just put your head in your lap and hush it. We'll be home soon. Oh, Roger, I just love our church. Our little Dorcas and Philemon, they just love going to their church ministries here. I just can't imagine going anywhere else.
You know, Rachel, maybe it's time we put the pedal to the metal and make that bold step forward.